So what we found with this estimation method, for smaller ponds it ends up being almost exactly right, but as the pond gets larger and larger, like up to, let's say, over 50,000 cubic feet, approaching 100 or up to 150, then it's more of a conservative estimate, and we really could make the pond a little bit smaller. So I've estimated that this is going to be 75. I need to think about how deep this pond might be. We're probably going to have a pipe that comes out this way and then connects. There's a pipe that goes across the street here. So, this contour is 828, and then existing contour is up here on the high side, 42. So we've got 14, 16 feet of elevation change. So I think it'd be pretty easy to make a 7-foot deep pond. So let's take that 75,000 cubic feet, divide it by 7 feet deep, and that needs to be 10,700 square feet. And this one is 10,300, so that's probably about right. The top contour is going to be a little bigger, bottom contour a little smaller, but the average is going to be somewhere in the middle, so that 10,300 is pretty good. Now this one, we have a lot of elevation change going on through here, and then where we discharge, it's say a 30 to this high side up here, 48. So we have 20 feet here. I think we can easily make this pond 10 feet deep. It's just a guesstimate. So we set it's 80,000 cubic feet. If it's 10 feet deep, then it needs to be about 8,000 square feet for the footprint. So again, I'm going to pick the middle one. We had just drawn this shape in just for fun, but if I hit AAA, turns out that's 22,000. So that's more than double how big it needs to be. So maybe in reality, it should be something like this. Let's move that over a little bit, and then I offset that by 20, and then change my OG to 1. That's offset gap type, and then offset by 10. I can delete this, and we can delete these guys. And so now we have a smaller pond